Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, the RLR method, and today in this video we are going to see that how we can find the HCF and LCM of the given numbers using the same factor set. Yes, you heard it right. So if you have been given a few numbers and you have to find both the HCF and LCM of those numbers, then you don't have to solve them separately. You can do it using the same factor set. Okay, let's see that how. So let's say the number is 24, 36 and 60. So the step 1 is we write the prime factors of 24. So that would be 2, 2s are 4, 4, 4, 4, 2s are 8, 8, 3s are 24. For 36 the prime factors will be 2, 2s are 4, 4, 3s are 12, 3s are 36, 60, 2, 2s are 4, 4, 4, 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. So step 1, write all the prime factors. Step 2, now we write these prime factors in exponent forms. Okay, exponent form. So if we have 2 here, we can see that it's 3 times we have, so we can write 2 to the power 3 and then 3 to the power 1. For 36 we have 2 2's, so 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2. For 60 we have 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 1 and 5 also we have to the power 1. So step 2, we have written the prime factors in exponent form. Now let's find the HCF. So to find the HCF we have to identify the lowest power of each prime factor. Yes, lowest power of each prime factor. So let's write down the prime factors first. So we have 2, 3 and 5. Now the lowest power of 2. We look at the lowest power, it's 3 here, 2 and 2. So the lowest power is 2. So we write 2. For 3 the lowest power would be 1 and for 5. Now 5, it says here for power of each prime factor, but we see that we do not have a 5 factor here, or we do not have it for 24 either. So what do we do? So that the number doesn't get changed, we multiply it by 5 to the power 0. We multiply 36 also by 5 to the power 0. So that would not make any change to the number. However, we get 5 as a prime factor for all the numbers. Now we look at the lowest power of 5. So that will be 0 here. Okay, so this is a very tricky step. You have to be careful here. Now we multiply the numbers. So 2 2s are 4, then we have 3 and 5 to the power 0 is 1. That gives us 12. So 12 is the HCF. Now using the same factor set, we'll find the LCM. So I've written the factors for you here. Right, so in this case, to find the LCM, we have to identify the highest power of every unique prime factor. So let's write down the unique prime factors. We have 2 and 3 and 5 here. We can just add the same part here as well. So we have 5 all with all the numbers. Now highest power of every prime factor, we look at highest power of 2 is 3. For 3 it's 2 and for this the highest power is 1 and we multiply them together. So 2 to the 4 is 8, 3 times 3 is 9 and 5 1. So 5 is 40, 40 into 9 is 360. So LCM is 360. So this is how we can find the LCM and HCF using the same factor set. I hope you liked it. Practice it to ace it, and I'll see you in the next.